Take a blade, pop this out. Alright, yeah, so it's easy with two hands, just so I could hold it out. I'll get started. Just help it out the rest of the way. I'll get all that shit off in a bit. Comes off pretty easy, it's just double-sided tape. I'll get it off in a bit. See how oxidized the front was? I just redid the back. This is the back. Alright, so I'm just going to wet sand this. I'm using 1200 grit. So all you want to do is spray and then give it a rub. Obviously I can't do this with one hand, so I'll BRB when I've done it. Alright, now as you can see the oxidation's all off. And I use this. Works great. All I'm going to do is this. And then I actually give it a blow off to make it sit flat. You can see it's not got some right there. There we go. Alright, so I'll give it a blow and a shake about just to level it off. Alright, now this is after it's been a couple minutes, but as you can see the oxidation's gone. This is the front badge. Back badge. I'll throw up some pictures of what they looked like before, but it was very oxidized. So I'm just going to let this stuff dry. Takes a bit, and then I'll put them back on the car. Alright, so here's the finished product. See, it's completely dry. I left it 24 hours to dry. I'm going to use some JB Weld to stick it back on. So BRB. Alright, you can see I've got a bit of epoxy on, so I'm just going to stick it on. Now I should have it. Just wait for that to dry. There we go, back on the car, all glued, good to go.